Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'll be doing a review on a cooling comforter, and this is how it looks in the package right here. So you can see, y'all know summer is approaching and you know you're gonna get hot with your body heat. But anyway, this comforter cool your body down. And let's say you have the air conditioning set, the blanket also will be the same temperature as the air, and it absorbs body heat, so the comforter will keep you cool while you're resting at night. This is the color of the comforter. Turn it around. And it's a queen size. I love the color. It's cute. And this is how it looks on a queen size bed. And for a $59.99, you can purchase one so you can stay cool on those hot nights. On a scale out of 1 out of 10, I give it a 9. I will leave the link down below in the description box in case you want to order one. And thanks for watching.